Here is a MKS server that went total nuts on me today. Uh, here's what happened. Um, all right. It acts normal at first, and then first of all the center position is moved compared to the other flap, and then it starts acting. I do absolutely nothing. My guess would be the potentiometer is worn out, even though I didn't fly as much as expected.